Have you ever thought about how changing your hair color can transform not just your look, but also your mood? Stick around to discover how a new shade can truly elevate your confidence. Hair color is more than just a fashion choice, it's a powerful way to express who you are. When you feel good about your hair, that confidence shines through and lifts your spirits. Let's dive into how this works. 1. Different colors evoke various feelings. Bold shades like red can make you feel empowered, while softer tones like pastel pink can create a calming vibe. 2. Changing your hair color can reflect your personality and emotions. Whether you want to showcase your adventurous side or opt for a more polished look, the right color helps convey the image you desire. 3. Just like fashion, hair colors can change with the seasons. Lighter shades brighten your look in summer, while deeper tones add warmth in fall. Adapting your hair color to the seasons keeps your style fresh and aligns with your mood. 4. Quick transformations can be eye-opening. Seeing yourself in a new light can change your demeanor, and those moments in the salon can lead to days filled with newfound confidence. 5. We often take cues from friends or social media. A trendy hair color can help you feel more connected and boost your confidence within your social circles. Start by selecting a color that resonates with how you want to feel. Use online apps or filters to visualize how a specific shade might look on you. If you're unsure, chat with a hairstylist. They can guide you on what works best for your skin tone and personality. If you're nervous about a big change, consider starting with highlights or temporary colors. Be patient, trial and error is part of the journey. Avoid damaging your hair by skipping too many treatments too quickly. Some colors require more upkeep than others, so be ready for the commitment. So, can hair color really boost your confidence? Absolutely. It's all about finding the shade that resonates with you. Ready to take the leap? Share your hair transformation stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Gradual changes are usually the best approach. Not every color suits every skin tone, so be sure to consider what looks good on you.